Everyone dreams of visiting Google Office, but what if I tell you now you can actually go there? Yes, you heard it right. It is not a joke. You have seen Google Offices in videos, reels, and movies. Also, the colorful workspace, creative vibe, innovation everywhere. And now you might get the chance to visit it. That too, if you participate in this event. We'll be talking about a new opportunity that is related to the cloud challenges. Here we'll cover everything in detail. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. Also hype the video. Coming over here, it's about the Google Cloud Labs 2026. It's again live. You'll be getting free food, free learning, free snacks, and free chance to learn about GenAI Academy, GenAI theory, and build production grade projects and networking also. So here you can see, let's discuss. So here they have mentioned join the Google Cloud Labs 2026 in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Gurgaon to bridge the gap from prototype to production. Here there'll be separate sessions depending on the location where you are located. If you are from Gurgaon, you can see these are the timelines you need to attend over there. If you are from Hyderabad, you need to attend these timelines. And if you are from Bangalore, you can see on 13th of March. So basically they have scheduled that the event starts from 6th of March, then 13th of March in Hyderabad and 20th of March in Bangalore, and it will be officially on Google Office, and you will be getting a chance to just visit that and learn everything free of cost. How to register? It's very simple. You need to have a Google account, that is Google account means Gmail account. So simply you have to click on sign in and just register over here. Enter your name over here, first name, last name, company name, you can write your college name or university name if you are a student, and business email you can just enter your personal email, mobile number. Job title, if you are a student you can write student. If you are a corporate or developer you can mention that also. Now here you have to select any city. Okay, any city where you want to attend, you can just select any one city and you can mention that I am a student or working professional. And if you have dietary restriction, means there'll be free food. So if you have any restriction that you are diabetic or any other restriction, medical health consideration, okay, health issues, sorry. So you can just mention over here. So like this, you have to simply enter the details and register over here. You'll be notified via email the venue. So make sure to take part in it. You'll be learning about cloud computing, whatever labs you are doing. You'll be getting sessions, lunch, multiple things over here, and hands-on training. Apart from this, you'll be working on Google Cloud, not on Skills Boost where you play arcade games. You'll be working on real Google Cloud platform. You'll be getting credits. So most of you are asking about how to get the credits. You can get the credits over here. So take part in this event. It's very simple event. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. And if you want to get certified, like if you want to Oracle certified or Microsoft certified, for that also you can check the playlist. I have attached multiple playlists over there. I'll attach the important video links in the description. Make sure to check it out. Do like the video and subscribe the channel guys, and have a great day ahead.